Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can apply or order for a RedotPay physical card. So I'm currently on their official website, which is on the helpcenter.redotpay.com. So I'll just paste the link on the screen so you can also visit the website. So from here, you will get the steps on how you can apply for a Redot physical card. So applying for a Redot physical crypto card requires a 100 USD card issuance fee, which will not be credited to your RedotPay account. So you have to ensure that you have sufficient funds before applying. And here's a note, new users receive a 5 USD reward upon registration. So this reward can only be used for transactions and cannot be used to purchase a card. So here are the steps. First is to open the RedotPay application and then go to the card and select physical card. So from here, you have to click on the card from the bottom menu. And then from here, you just have to click on physical card. So click on the apply card for 100 USD, which is here. Tap on that. And then you just have to enter your billing address and shipping address. So here are the important notes. RedotPay does not support certain countries or regions for billing and shipping addresses. So you have to refer on this link right here to see which are the countries or the regions that are not supported by the RedotPay. So billing and shipping addresses must be entered in English. You have to make sure of that. And the cardholder's name on the billing address will appear on the back of the card and cannot be changed after issuance. So the shipping address guidelines, first is accuracy. So you have to ensure that the address includes the full street name and the house number to avoid delivery failure. Also with consistency, so the address, city, state, or province and postal code must match the selected country to prevent package loss. And also the contact information. So you have to put there a valid phone number, and that is really required. So here, you can apply on the RedotPay. So you will have to enter your billing address, shipping address, and those information. Once you're done with that, click on pay. And then on the billing address, just have to put your cardholder name, which is your name, your region, the address, or this is optional, or maybe this is required. So you can just put there address line number 2, and then the province or state, and then the city. And then once you're done filling all the details, you have to tap on save. And then after confirming your shipping address, you just have to click confirm at the very bottom, which is here. And then for the return payment page, you have to click pay and complete the card application. So please note that once the payment is completed, your card issuance request will be submitted. So it cannot be canceled and the card fee is non-refundable. So you really have to be careful. So tap on this one, pay, and then $100 USD will be deducted from your account. So you just have to click pay to confirm the transaction. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!